In this video, we are going to look at the problem on page 20 of the Chapter 2, Section 2 slides. We've already looked at this problem before, but now we're going to solve it. In this problem, we've got Ace Novelty wishes to produce 3 types of souvenirs, types A, B, and C. To manufacture a type A souvenir requires 2 minutes on machine 1, 1 minute on machine 2, and 2 minutes on machine 3. A type B souvenir requires 1 minute on machine 1, 3 minutes on machine 2, and 1 minute on machine 3. A type C souvenir takes 1 minute on machine 1, 2 minutes each on machines 2 and 3. There are 3 hours available on machine 1, 5 hours available on machine 2, and 4 hours available on machine 3. How many souvenirs of each type should Ace Novelty make in order to use all of the available time? Now, we figured out the system of equations for this one in Chapter 2, Section 1. So now we're going to look at this. I've already got this set up in Notebook. So we're going to take a look at that right now. And we're just going to change this into a matrix as we've been doing. This gives us the matrix 2, 1, 1, 180, 1, 2, 2, 300, 2, 1, 2, 240. And now we're going to solve this. To solve this, we're going to start by switching rows 1 and 2. Just so we have that 1 in the upper left corner where we want it. That gives us 1, 2, 2, 300. 2, 1, 1, 180. 2, 1, 2, 240. So the first thing I'll do here is to subtract 2 row 1 from each of rows 2 and 3. Okay. Well, that gives us 1, 2, 2, 300. That stays the same. 0, -1, -1. And then 100 minus 2 times 300, 180 minus 2 times 300 is 180 minus 600, which is -420. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus, right, I made a mistake here. I did indeed. Because we're not subtracting 1 times row 1 here, we're subtracting 2 times row 1. So that's 1 minus 4 is -3. 1 minus 4 is again -3. And 180 times 2 is 360, and subtract 600 from that, we've got -240. Okay, so now 2 minus 2 is still 0. 1 minus 2 times 2, 1 minus 4 is -3. And 2 minus 4 is -2. And 240, that should still have been that -420. Sorry for the mistakes here. I've been working on this for a while. 240 minus 600 now is going to be -360. There we go. Okay, well, now that we've cleared out that stuff, it's going to be easiest if we keep row 2 as our row 2 and divide everything by -3. So that's -1/3 row 2. Okay, well, negative 1/3 times negative, well, we'll start with 1, 2, 2, 300 still. Divide negative 3 by negative 3 and get 1. 420 divided by negative 3 is going to be a positive 140. And of course, row 3 stays the same. So now we will add 3 row 2 to row 3. Which gives us, first 2 rows stay the same, 1, 2, 2, 300. 0, 1, 1, 140. 0, 0. We've got negative 2 plus 3 is 3. And that should have been negative 360 right there. Negative 2 plus 3 is 1. Negative 360 times 4 plus 420 is going to be 60. And that's great because now we figured out what our Z is. We're going to make 60 type C souvenirs. So next we will, next we're going to take this whole thing, this last matrix, and move it over to the next page. There we go. Okay, so now we want to subtract row 3 from row 2 and 2 row 3 from row 1. R1 minus 2 row 3 and R2 minus row 3. Okay, so subtracting 2 from row 1, we get 1, 2, 0. 2 times 60 is 120. We're subtracting that from 300, we get 180. 0, 1, 0. 140 minus 60 is just 80. 0, 0, 1, 60. Last step is going to be to subtract 2 row 2 from row 1, which will give us our final matrix, 1, 0, 0. 180 minus 2 times 80 is 20. 180 minus 160, that's 20. 0, 1, 0, 80, and 0, 0, 1, 60. So, in the end, we're going to make 20 type A souvenirs, 80 type B souvenirs, and 60 type C souvenirs. If you have any questions, get in touch.